Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you feel like you're starting from nothing financially, this video is for you. A lot of people believe that building wealth requires a big salary, a rich background, or lucky opportunities. But the truth is, many successful people started with very little, sometimes even from zero. In today's world, it's easy to compare yourself to others and feel left behind. But wealth is not built overnight, and it's not reserved only for a few lucky people. So, in this video, we're going to break down 5 powerful steps that can help you build wealth from zero, no matter where you're starting right now. Control your money before trying to grow it. Before thinking about investing or making more money, you need to manage what you already have. If you can't control a small amount of money, you won't be able to handle a bigger one. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Understand where your money is going every single month. Many people stay broke not because they earn too little, but because they spend without awareness. Discipline is the foundation of wealth, and it always starts with control. Without financial control, any increase in income will disappear just as fast. That's why mastering your spending habits is the first and most important step. Always pay yourself first. Most people spend first and save what's left, which is usually nothing. But wealthy people do the opposite. The moment you receive income, set aside a portion for saving or investing. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. Even if it's a small amount, consistency is what matters most. Over time, this habit builds a strong financial foundation. This simple principle trains your mind to prioritize your future instead of short-term desires. And as your income grows, the amount you save and invest will grow with it. Increase your income by upgrading your skills. There's a limit to how much you can save, but there's no limit to how much you can earn. Focus on learning valuable skills that can increase your income, whether it's digital skills, business knowledge, or communication abilities. The more value you can provide, the more money you can earn. This is how you break out of financial limitations. Relying on a single income source can slow down your progress. That's why continuously improving yourself is one of the smartest investments you can make. Your skills are your greatest asset, especially when you're starting from zero. Start investing, even if it's small. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. What you need is the willingness to begin, whether it's stocks, crypto, or a small business. The goal is to make your money work for you. Money that just sits will lose value over time because of inflation, but money that is invested has the potential to grow. Many people wait too long because they think they need large capital, but in reality, starting small is better than not starting at all. Time is one of the most powerful factors in building wealth, so the earlier you start, the better your results will be.
Stay consistent and think long-term. Building wealth is not about quick wins. It's about consistency over time. There will be moments when you feel like you're not making progress, but every small step adds up. Avoid the mindset of wanting instant results. Wealth is built slowly, through patience and discipline. People who succeed financially are not always the smartest. They are often the most consistent. They keep going, even when progress feels slow. If you stay committed to the process, your future will look completely different from where you are today. So remember, building wealth from zero is possible, but it requires discipline, patience, and the right habits. You don't need to be perfect, and you don't need to start big. You just need to start and stay consistent. Focus on controlling your money, increasing your income, and making smart financial decisions every day. Because at the end of the day, your financial future is not determined by where you start, but by what you choose to do next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and practical financial content. And I'll see you in the next video.